Right now you are standing on a planet that scientifically speaking won't last forever. Asteroid, climate instability, even the slow death of the sun. For decades, space agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX have been working toward one goal: making humans a multiplanetary species. We have already taken the first steps. The International Space Station proved we can live in space. Robots are exploring Mars. Reusable rockets dramatically reduce launch costs, but colonizing another world is not just about landing there. It is about staying alive, and how do we survive on worlds that were never meant for us? Here are the obstacles and the solutions. Obstacle 1. Building habitats. Other plants are deadly. High radiation, no breathable air, extreme temperature. Scientists propose building one of these three habitats: building underground to block radiation, using inflatable domes which are easy to transport, using local materials to build, which is called in situ resource utilization. On Mars, for example, soil could be used to 3D print shelters. Obstacle 2. Water and oxygen production. Scientists discovered that most of rocky planets have ice, which we can dissolve and convert into water, which in turn into oxygen. NASA's MOXIE experiment already produced oxygen on Mars, and the method was melting ice to get drinkable water, then split water into oxygen and hydrogen. This means future colonists won't need constant supply from Earth. Obstacle 3. Growing food in space. You can't survive without food, and alien soil is toxic and lifeless to grow anything on it. The solution: grow the plants in water instead soil, and it's called hydroponics. Combine that with controlled lead environment and you have closed loop ecosystem. Plants produce oxygen, humans produce CO2, water is recycled. Obstacle 4. Adapting the human body. Space changes the human body. Muscle loss, bone density decrease, radiation damage. Solutions: artificial gravity by using rotating habitats, advanced medicine, even genetic adaptation. Colonizing space isn't just about changing planets, it might mean changing ourselves. Obstacle 5. Traveling to other worlds. Getting there is one of the hardest problems. The current method is chemical rockets, slow but proven. Future concepts: nuclear propulsion for faster travel, ion drives efficient for long distance, generation ships for multi-generation journeys, even theoretical warp drives. A trip to Mars today takes 6 to 9 months. To reach other star systems, it could take thousands of years. Technology is one of the challenges, but the biggest one of them all is survival. Imagine living your entire life inside a dome, never breathing natural air, watching Earth become just a distant planet. Colonizing space isn't an adventure. It is a complete redefinition of what it means to be human. Leaving Earth is no longer science fiction. It is a scientific roadmap already in motion, with known and doable steps: build habitats, create oxygen, grow food, adapt the human body, and fast travel. One day humans may look back at Earth the same way we look at stars today, not as the end of our journey, but as the place where it all began.